Good morning, crypto. Well, that's a sigh of relief to see that we are finally getting some green into the market. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Today's video, I'm going to give you guys a macro update. Now, usually we do our macro update on Monday, but man, the market was so boring. It was putting me to sleep. I clean forgot about the macro update. Thanks to you guys for reminding me. Make sure that you also leave a comment, engage with the video, and let me know in the comments, what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be by the end of 2023? I'd love to know everybody's comments. But let's get into the video because we got a lot to talk about, man. Macro update. I'm about to give y'all a couple of clues on why we could possibly see 50K by the end of the year. I know that y'all wonder, what is Millie talking about, 50K? Well, a lot of people are saying, well, this is from Standard Charter, okay? They're saying Bitcoin supply shock will send Bitcoin price to 120K by sometime next year. And family, due to the Bitcoin miners and the Bitcoin supply shock, that we could see 50,000 by the end of the year. Now, we got a few things positive going for us, a few developments that are leading up to this positive and bullish sentiment. And also let me know how y'all feel about that prediction. You can see here that we have the CPI inflation on Wednesday coming in at 3.1. Now, you know the Fed goal has always been 2%. And there's been some people saying that we could even get as low as 2.8, right? Which is putting us extremely close to that goal of 2%. Let me know in the comments if you are sick of inflation. Are you sick of these federal rate hikes? You sick of prices being expensive? It's been a crazy 2 years. I must say, family, it's been a crazy 2 years. But it seems like a lot of things have been slowing down. I've been seeing the gas prices going down. I'm seeing car prices going down. I'm seeing the price of certain foods going down, maybe not all food. So it's given us a little insight, right, that the inflation could be going down. And if I go here to true inflation, let me see if I can actually find this. Sometimes it doesn't pull up here. I should have had it pulled up here for the people in the back. Appreciate you guys for working with me. True inflation is at 2.45%. All right. The government is reporting that the inflation is at 4%. So look at this, family. Just look at this. Look at this. So we are trending down. We are getting close, family. We are getting extremely close to what I would say a bullish market. Now, I'm going to say bull cycle, but I'm going to just say a bullish market. Keep in mind, not financial advice, we do got the CME experts predicting probabilities of a 92% chance of a 0.25 federal rate hike. So always keep that in mind that we might just have two more rate hikes going into the end of the year. But you know, you can't ignore all of the institutions that's starting to get into Bitcoin. Look at this asset manager Vanguard Group with over 7 trillion has purchased 10% stake in Bitcoin miner Riot platforms. You're seeing people coming out and saying that Bitcoin could go to 120K. You're seeing people coming out and applying for a huge company. I'm talking about trillions of dollars in companies applying for Bitcoin spot ETFs. Now, all of this is happening while we're either going down or trading sideways. Okay, so this is always the best time to add to your bags. In fact, there's stats that came out that says right now is the most that there's the most wallets of all time that's holding at least one Bitcoin, man. Let me know in the comments if you're holding at least one Bitcoin. I love to know that, you know, the Bitcoiners inside the comments. Now, you know, I cover everything. I cover crypto, altcoins, meme coins. Yeah, I cover all aspects of crypto. Okay, so I'm not a Bitcoin maxi, but we know that in order for the cryptocurrency space to literally go parabolic, what do we need? We need Bitcoin in bullish momentum. So not only that, we got a lot of statistics that's telling us that we could be entering a bullish cycle right here. All right, let's reload this page. Salute to everybody that's still here watching the video. The DXY is capitulating. All right, so the DXY here at 101, family. We are very close to our goal. You know, I told y'all what the goal is smashing 100. We really need to smash 100. This is the weekly chart, which tells us that the DXY wants to continue to go lower. It tried to get a little bit of momentum. The momentum just wasn't there. The DXY is going lower, family. It's going lower. Now, will it break 100? Because you're seeing this resistance that we have here. In fact, let me show you guys. We've been having this resistance here for a while, for real. You know, this resistance has been here for so long. You know, I even forgot. I forgot all about it. You know, it's been here for so long. But you're seeing this resistance here at about 100. So it comes down to 100 and then it bounces all the way back up. Now, we got a few things in our favor. We got the stock RSI losing momentum, and we also got the Gaussian channel, which has already flashed red for the DXY, which tells us that the momentum is in a downtrend, and that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see, because we know the DXY is an inverted Bitcoin chart here. Now, we talked about how we had about 50 more days of trading sideways. Okay, last time it took us approximately 70 days until the Gaussian channel flashed green here for Bitcoin on the weekly. Now, just because it's over the Gaussian channel doesn't mean it's necessarily going to flash green. So it took us 70 days of just trading sideways until we flashed green on the Gaussian channel. We've been trading now so far above the Gaussian channel for 21 days. So maybe we got about 2 months left, family. 60 to 90 days left before we actually enter a bull cycle. Now, that's not it. That's if no black swan event happened, because you know they like to throw these black swan events. But we are consistently seeing Bitcoin get rejected at 35. Okay, it's been getting rejected at 35. It's been getting rejected at 31K, and you can see here that the stock RSI is losing a little bit momentum. Maybe like we seen from the DXY, how it curled up like it was gaining momentum, but then it lost it and came back down. Maybe we get that inverted to where we see Bitcoin actually do the same thing. We see Bitcoin kind of like curl down and then curl back up. That's what we need, family. We need bullish momentum, and actually that's what we're getting. We're getting bullish momentum. Not to add, I don't know why my internet keeps pulling down here, but the tether dominance again has been falling. We need the tether dominance to be below 6%. You know, somewhere around 5% would be nice. You know, it would really be nice. And you see last time the Gaussian channel on the weekly flipped red for the tether dominance. It was around anywhere between 3 to 4%. We're at 7%, so we're just a little too high to say that we're in a bull cycle. As far as the tether dominance goes, we need that to trend a little bit lower. And of course, thinking about the altcoin market here, the Bitcoin dominance is still hanging out here overbought. So it's been hanging out here overbought for a while. In fact, we can actually, you know, check how long it's actually been hanging out there, because that's been a while that it's been able. And I'm actually impressed that the Bitcoin dominance has been able to hang out here for so damn long, man. You know what I'm saying? That's highly impressive. Okay, why is that going backwards? We don't want that to go backwards, but we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down if we have any chance of in altcoin season. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance is extremely too high right now to have an altcoin season. Look at this. The Bitcoin dominance has literally been hanging out over 50% for the last 287 days, family. That is amazing. That is amazing that we've been, that will not, I wouldn't say at 50%, but overbought territory for 287 days. So when people say, oh, just because a project is overbought, it has to come back down, and not all the time, as we can see here from Bitcoin. This thing has been hanging out here. We need this to go down to have any chance here at altcoin season. As you can see, this is the total altcoin market cap excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we just not there yet. Okay, you know, we could have an inverted head and shoulders forming here, and these are all weekly charts to give us an idea of our long-term investments, because I look at crypto as a long-term play, not just a short-term play here. But when you look at everything that's going on, that's a lot of bullish developments that could, get us in a position where crypto is finally in a bull cycle. Not to add, the VIX is dropping. And usually when you see the VIX dropping, that shows you that there's less volatility in the market. And usually when the VIX drops, what happens? Stock market pumps, as we're seeing right here. All right, we got some bullish job claims coming out. Hopefully, they're not too hot. What's that, on Thursday? I think we get job claims. I think the job claims came out pretty nice last week. So hopefully they're not too hot going into this week on Thursday. I believe Thursday we get some new job claims. But you can see here, the whole market is pumping, family. Pumping while the VIX is literally going down. So again, a lot of stuff happening. I expect that going into the CPI readings that some news comes out, some FUD comes out, maybe some Binance FUD, something will come out and kind of like throw off the entire cryptocurrency space. I'm actually banking for it. I got a little liquidity on the side ready for it, because every time we get extremely bullish, it seems like some type of BNB FUD comes out, some type of stable coin FUD comes out, and then, we drop down and we can't break 31K. So if we can break 31K, I think the next stop would be like 33K, and then we'll see a little bit of that Bitcoin dominance actually go down, where we'll see some of that liquidity go into the altcoin market. That's what we need. But yeah. Looks like right now the poppin' narrative is liquid staking derivatives, man. I'm gonna have to do some research. I do got a Hedera video coming a little later. I got a tectonic video coming for the tectonic fam, so make sure you guys stick around for that. I'll probably be doing a tectonic video next, and then we'll do something for Hedera throughout the day. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the cryptocurrency market. Are we bullish yet, man? Is the bull run on the cusp? Are you ready? That's the question I got for everybody. Hell, are you ready for the bull run? Come on, y'all. Let's get excited. Let's get lit. Go crazy in the comments, man. We are almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there for the bull run, man. It's your boy, Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.